Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. Ebusuafo me mo hone nyinara akwa aba. Wajema bro. Today is an amazing day and I want to show you a healthy recipe here. If you're a new subscriber here we learn baking tips, cooking tips, healthy juice and other interesting stuff here. We also do a lot of things. So if you are here, ensure to stay because there are a lot that you are going to learn from this channel. If you are also an old subscriber, my supporters, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. Today's recipe is simple to prepare at home. We are not going to use heat to do what you are going to do. All that you need is your date fruits and you are good to go. When you get your date fruits, you seed them and wash it thoroughly with what? Salt and water. Yes, so that is what we are doing here. Just relax and let's get into the process. So I have my bowl here with a cover. So I'll put in my date fruits. Yes, any container of your choice is appropriate. So you keep in the date fruits, then you pour in a lot of water to cover the top of the fruits. The reason being that date fruits absorbs a lot of water when it sits for some days. Yes. So if you do not cover it with a lot of water, you realize that it will soak all the water. And at the end of the day, you're not even going to get any syrup. So ensure to pour a lot of water. When you are done, you cover it nicely. Then you do what? You keep it in the refrigerator. The longer it takes, the darker the syrup becomes. But I would use only 4 days or 5 to get my syrup. Yes, but you can go as long as you want. So this is after the 4 days. Isn't this beautiful? Natural, no preservative. So if you do not have honey, there's an option for you. If you're a diabetic patient and you don't want to take more sugar or whatever, there's also an option for you. This is natural. Oh. Natural is always beautiful. So you get your glass jar, then you pour in the syrup. You cover it nicely and you keep it in your refrigerator and you use in your beverages. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.